This is I entitled this Pinoydad Smackdown. I upgraded my Raptor again. I put the 50 boom from Quick UK GLF carbon fiber blades with the you know, I like those holograms, the big ones. And still got the redline 53. Should auto better and should fly a lot more stabler than the 30 size and take better advantage of that motor. And we got let's see, S9252 servos now on the collective, and on the aileron. So Pinoydad, while you flying them little electric helicopters, little 400 size out there with them little boys, here go what a real helicopter look like, son. You beginner, you newbie, smack down. Yeah, go tell a friend. I'll chop your little crap out the sky. And no, this one ain't gonna crash, cause I could afford a co-pilot. That's how I learn without crashing. That's how I can live to learn the next day. And fly one day, crash, and wait a whole week to fly again. You need to go ask somebody. I hope I just taught you something. Pinoydad. Roof. Sucker. No WC clown to make you frown, boy. Woo, man, look at that blue clutch bell. Like that, Pino? I think this belt is loose, man. I gotta tighten it again. Yeah, that's a GP 750 Pino. No, it's not one of those 401Bs or whatever that little cheap crap you use. And these are cordless servos. I just got to get one more right here to replace this S9202. All CNC down to the neck, all the way down to the seesaw. That flip wasn't nothing. You want to see some basics, some nose in, and all that little simple stuff. I'm going to show you better than that, Pinoydad. You just remember. Thanks for watching, everybody. Pinoydad, smack down. 400 size.